Hey Modern Fragrance community, today I'll be talking about the different alcohols, additives, and denaturants commonly used in perfumery. Before we get started, I'd like to say make sure you always read the MSDS or SDS information before handling all perfumery ingredients. First, I'll start with why alcohol is recognized in many perfumes and colognes around the world. It has an extremely high evaporation rate. Combine this with the warmth of your skin and the scent leaps off your body, making its and your presence known. For example, each aroma chemical or essential oil has its own molecular weight, each varying from each other. Some molecules are so heavy that you can't smell them straight out of the bottle. That's why you want to use a scale to measure your ingredients in grams for a high precision reading. And lastly, its ability to be soluble with many oils, powders, and crystalline compounds. And all this makes alcohol an ideal candidate as a fragrance carrier. Next, I'll go over a few common alcohols used in the art of perfumery. Pure ethanol. This is one we're all familiar with. It's the only one you can drink, as long as it hasn't been denatured and doesn't contain any impurities, of course. A denaturant is an additive used to avoid ingestion, making it unsuitable for drinking. In result, this removes the taxes related to alcohol and tobacco regulations as well. Here I have a 4-liter bottle of specially denatured alcohol 40B 200%. This is a blend of ethanol, tertiary butyl alcohol, which acts as a denaturant, and denatonium or Bitrex as another denaturant, which is odorless but creates a bitter taste. Other perfumer alcohols may host a blend of ethanol, isopropyl myrostate, which is used in cosmetics and topicals due to its high absorption rate through the skin, and monopropylene glycol, which reduces the alcohol's evaporation rate. Sometimes you'll find Perfumers Alcohol with essential oil denaturants. An example of this would be SDA 38B 190%, which uses lavender essential oil as a denaturant. Now this option can be pricey, but as a last resort, you can go to the liquor store and pick up some food-grade ethanol for your personal fragrance. 190 proof Everclear or vodka are both possible options. In conclusion, choosing the right alcohol for your project all comes down to what you're trying to achieve with your fragrance, and quite frankly, what you can obtain. Whether that be zero additives, skin absorption, shelf life, fragrance lifespan, there are so many variables to consider, so I hope this video helped narrow down your search. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.